Hi students, I want to take a minute to help you with the annotated bibliography assignment that is due at the end of week 2. I want you to make sure that you are dedicating some time for research because this assignment is going to require you to use Discovery Services. That icon is located in the right-hand corner of E360, and that's our electronic library service where you have a library at your fingertips, basically. So I really hope that you are utilizing this option to expedite your research. The Learner's Guide actually has some really good information for you to use to help you with this assignment. First of all, it tells what each paragraph of the annotated bibliography, what that contains. So the first paragraph will be a summary. And then the second paragraph in a nutshell is going to be your analysis and how you would apply what you've learned in that article in your final draft of your paper. So basically you're doing a pre-write process, and we're starting that with the annotated bib. This is where you're doing your research for the final paper that will be in this course. And then next week we're going to do an outline of the paper, and then in week 4 you're going to do a first draft, and I'm going to give substantial feedback for you to improve your writing skills and content of your paper. And then in week 5 you're going to do the actual final draft of your attachment reflection essay. And I really expect for these papers to be very well written because we're going through this research and writing process as we go through this class. And I'm giving quality feedback to you, and I really hope that your final product will be something that you'll be proud of in week 5. Back to the annotated bib. You're going to research 4 articles. This cannot be your textbook. It cannot be a website. It has to be 4 peer-reviewed or scholarly articles. And you'll find those, as I mentioned, in Discovery Services. So when you read your articles, you're going to do a summary paragraph and an analysis paragraph for each article. And you're going to cite that article. And then you're going to do your next summary and analysis of the next article. So you're going to do a total of 4 articles for this annotated bibliography. You're going to do an annotated bib for each one. In addition, in the Learner's Guide, I have also provided you an example of an annotated bibliography that I did because I actually wrote the Psych 2000 course and revised it recently. So this curriculum is something that I created. So I feel like giving a little supplement to what I did in the Learner's Guide will hopefully guide you and make your writing that much stronger. I'm really excited about this course. A lot of great content in it. Psychology is something that we can all learn about and apply to our own lives as well as our professional lives. Anyway, you're going to submit 1 document with 4 annotated bibs of articles. We're only using scholarly or peer-reviewed journal articles, so make sure that you're using quality sources for this assignment. And this is just the first step in the pre-write process for the attachment reflection essay that will be due as a final draft in week 5. This is your research. I look forward to reading your annotated bibs, and I'm sure you're going to find some great articles on attachment. Thank you for your time. Have a great day, and God bless.